Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to analyze ear shape for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and go to device settings. After that we are in the sound, so it's excellent, scroll down, and right here we have analyze ear shape. Firstly, remove your headphones from your head. Then click analyze, next, OK, take a photo, and we click at the OK, then hold your phone straight to your head and place the head in this frame. So let's make it. Then turn your head to the right and hold. It should make a photo. Excellent. Now we should make the second photo for the right ear. So click next and again hold your face, your phone straight to your face and hold your head to the left. Turn your head to the left. And hold. Here we go. Now we make it, so we need to click start, save, OK. And now we should wait until it stops analyzing. And now we just finish this analysis. So you can optimize the application with this ear shape, but I'm going to skip it later and OK, because we just did it. Now you can reanalyze your ears, so it's not a problem. You just tap on it and then repeat what we made before. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!